Today I'm installing the SyronHawk 100M system on the rooftop. On this rooftop there is solar panels. Over time, bird droppings build up on the panels, which reduce their efficiency and overall power output. I'm starting by taking the tripod out of the box and having a quick look at the installer's guide. We've got 3 legs, 3 cross braces to connect them, a mounting plate, and all the bolts, nuts and washers we need. I'm putting the tripod together using a screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Just make sure you're paying attention to the orientation of the connecting braces. They only go this way. Once that's assembled, I'm placing the tripod on a stable spot with a clear view of the area. Now moving to the system itself. This is how it comes packaged. You got 4 Allen bolts for mounting, 2 network antennas, and the transformer's hub, which acts as a system electrical control unit. I'm placing the system on top of the tripod and securing it with the Allen bolts. A heads up, this system is pretty heavy, so handle it carefully. Next, I'm connecting the antenna to their designated ports. Now I'm mounting the transformer's hub onto one of the designated holes on the tripod. After that, I'm connecting it to the system using the 7-pin connector. Make sure it lines up properly. There is an align marks on the connector, so just follow those. Once everything is connected, I'm turning on the system using the key on the red switch. At this point, the system starts calibrating the motor. Once calibration is done, I connect the system using a tablet, following the instructions in the system app. And that's it, the system is ready to go. The system covers the selected area based on a pattern I set up in advance. You can also configure the system to operate during specific hours, depending on the client's needs. This is what we specialize at SyronHawk, keeping your environment clean from pigeons and bird droppings, using an electronic, non-invasive and elegant solution.